Meet Zion, class of 2024.
Zion.
In the halls where dreams are spun, you've walked with grace. Your journey's just begun.
Home of the Bulldogs.
From the choir's embrace to the classroom's light, you shine like a star in the deepest night. With every note, your spirit soared, a melody of faith, a voice adored. Now you stand on the threshold, bold and free, ready to carve your path, your destiny. Carry the rhythm of hope in every stride. In the symphony of life, with God as your guide. A beacon of strength, a testament true. The world awaits the brilliance of you.
Zion.